Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Sorry for yesterday's rant. Got way off topic on the trades. I was just stressing out a little bit, but like I said, I want to keep back at it. Today, unfortunately, is a down day. I traded TEUM, which we can look at. I was looking for the breakout on it, and where we at? It's over here. And I was looking for it to break above the close. And in retrospect, I should have got in around here after this first candle came up, and about 135 would have been a good break, so right around here. But I didn't get in until like 145 above the pre-market, thinking it was going to go even higher. And you can see the wick on top here kind of just went up and then just came right back down. And then I was trying to put my market or my limit order at 135, but I was distracted looking at another trade. And then when I came back, it was lower, so I ended up putting it at 130, and then it cashed out at 129. So I was kind of out of it on that. But one thing with today, though, I did notice is, Jenny Yellen, the Federal Reserve Chair, is going to be making an announcement today. And every time this lady comes out, traders always get scared. So I'm not even like really trying to be in the market today. I've just noticed over the years, every time there's a Federal Reserve speech on anything, like everybody freezes up and tensions up and like wonders what they're gonna say, because it could be raising interest rates, it could be, the state of the economy, the market, so on and so forth. So it's kind of a big deal. Um, but I'm not really tripping. So I'm down 18 bucks with commissions. That's 28. So I'm about at my 30-day loss. So I'm going to be stepping away from that. Like I've said it since day one. I'm not like if I lose on a trade, like I'm done. Like I'm already down. You know what I mean? Like at most, I might take a second trade. But like I'm not just going to keep trading. I'm not going to keep losing. I'm not going to keep digging my hole deeper and deeper now. I know a lot of people were saying like switch to paper trading and all that, and me personally, like the way I set myself up for this, would it have been better to do paper trading? Yeah. Would it have been practical for me? Yeah, it would have been a lot better. But now that I'm in it, I can't go back. Like it's hard for me to turn around and go backwards, And me personally, I've always been like in my experience, like I take my lumps and that's how I improve. Some people do better with, and I'm not trying to make paper trading sounding bad or anything, but like people do better with like fake accounts. They do better with training accounts and stuff like that. Me personally, like I don't take it seriously because it's not real to me. So I set aside this money for this specific purpose. I set aside my losses, or I set aside this equity to prepare to ultimately lose 100% of it. Now that doesn't mean I want to lose 100%, but if I were to lose 100%, I wouldn't like go crazy or insane or be angry because I purposely set aside this money for that. Now I do have more money to put into this if I need to later, but right now, since I am below the $500 mark, I'm being a lot more cautious. People are saying add more to it. I don't want to add more to it yet. Um, I'm staying within my penny stock range, which is basically $2 to $10. I am still looking at 1 to 10 as well. So I'm just taking it slow and slow. I got nothing but time in front of me. Like I said, this is my choice. This is the career I want going forward. This is what I want to do. So I just want to let that out there. And I appreciate all the comments, both good and bad, both criticism and support. It helps me in every way. You guys have no idea. And when you guys have good things to bring up, like I'll talk about it. Like some people were mentioning like different chat rooms and their experiences and stuff like that. And like I said, I'm not happy with Investors Underground. I do see it as more of a strictly an alert chat room. They do have 3 different chat rooms. I think it's great for alerts. Probably if you're more of an experienced trader, it'd be good for you. But me personally, um, I don't feel like it's really the fit I want. So I'm gonna be looking at some other ones by the end of the month for sure. But like I paid for it, so I'm gonna go through with it. Um, But hey, I mean, even if it's my loss, it's, it's your gain, because you're watching this video and you can realize, hey, maybe it's not for me, and I don't want anything to do with it. So it could be your benefit either way. But yeah, for pretty much today, that's really where I'm at. TEUM again, down on it. So I'm not gonna stress it. Gonna go work out, do my thing, get it out of my system. That negativity, then come back. Open up the fucking computer and go right back to doing homework and studying and learning every day. This is 7 days a week for me. Like I don't go hard every single day, but every single day I make progress. Like period. Like that's my goal. So I don't make any excuse for that. Even when I'm out in the doing anything, like I'll have my phone and I'll read articles, or I'll be on Seeking Alpha, or I'll do some stuff like that. Every single day. This is what I'm gonna do the rest of my life. So I got to treat it as such. I'm living for my work in a sense, and one day I will be profitable. It's not going to be amazing or anything like that, but I'll make enough where I can comfortably pay my bills and be happy. And that's ultimately my goal. People have, I think, goals when they start out with this, like I want to be a millionaire, which is a great goal to have, but I mean, that's a very hard one to achieve ultimately. I just want to pay bills, I just want to get by. I just want to make ends meet, and I'll be fucking happy. I will feel amazingly successful if I can do that. And then from there I can improve. I could increase my share size. I can improve my strategy, and I can build from there. But ultimately my goal is just to pay bills, just to make that ends meet. So that's what I'm shooting for, and I'm going to keep at it every day. So anyways, as always, thank you for continuing to support me. I really have been slacking on making other videos for like my mobile trading apps and stuff, and I apologize. But again, like I said, I'm putting so much time and effort into day trading and improving and getting better and learning. So I'm gonna try to do man, I don't want to like commit to anything, but I want to try to do like at least a couple videos a week of just not these day trading videos, just so I can keep in the crowd that, or the subscribers that I've gotten so far, because a lot of them I got in from those app trades, and I don't want to feel like I'm alienating them, because that's not my goal. If anything, I want to get a feel for as many different trading brokerages and platforms as I can. Give my opinion on it, show people how to use it. Direct people towards the ones that's a better fit for them. Ultimately, ones that'll be a little more affordable. Because that's the name of the game, is trying to be able to afford all this. Because when you look at the United States and how it treats day trading, the PDT rule, you have to have $25,000 in your account to day trade, which is, in my opinion, stupid. That's ridiculous. I get why they do it, or I get why they say they do it, I should say. But ultimately, like, you have people that can have 5,000 or less and still be successful, or even 1,000, and still be successful. I'm not saying I'm one of them, but like, you have people that have those capabilities, but you purposely stunt their growth because you say you have to have 25,000. So and when like 50 to 60% of my country is considered poor, and they can't even afford a $500 emergency, let alone a $25,000 trading account, it's just unrealistic. But I mean, I'm more interested in trying to help people get financially independent more than my own millionaire dreams. Like, I'd love to see more people. I want to live in a country that's rich. You know what I mean? Like, I live in a country that is rich in the sense that we have a lot of money, but the economy is not rich. It's far from rich. It's poor. There's a lot of countries that are worse off. Don't get me wrong, but we're not. The United States isn't a shining example of what a country should be, in my opinion, because we don't do enough to help educate people in real things like day-to-day life. Like, I think there should be financial education courses. I think there should be retirement planning courses. I think there should be tax planning courses. I think all that shit should be like in our high school curriculum. Like, you shouldn't have to go to college or take outside courses. You should be prepared for an adult before you become a fucking adult. So I think learning to trade, learning to manage risk, learning to swing trade, learning to invest, things like that is something I think every single person on the earth should be doing, because money, doesn't matter what country you go to, it's a currency-based system, it's a capitalist system, it's buying and selling, it's trade deals, it's all that. 198 countries on the planet, almost all of them use some type of currency to do deals. So learning how to, control your money is important, and that's what I'm trying to do, and that's what I want to help people try to do as well. So that's the whole point of this. But anyway, I'm getting into rants this week. I don't know why. But so yeah, anyway, that's where I'm at. Down 18. Like I said, not the end of the world. Not gonna cry about it. Whatever. I'm just gonna go out, do my thing, work out, get it out of my system, get that anger out, get that frustration out, come back, and then go 100% into working and learning. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So, anyways, talk to y'all next video. And like I said, I'll try to do better to make other videos. I'll get back to that as well because it's only fair to you guys. You know, that's the whole reason why I made this channel, is to give as much information as possible. And I've been kind of slacking at that. So I'm gonna try to get back at that. So I'll talk to y'all later.